I'm also thankful to the entire Pakistani nation who stood united, resilient in the face of the enemy aggression. Our brave armed forces and citizens presented a united front, became a solid wall of our victory was both military and moral, and world witnessed our strength and restoration. Our resilience. Let me reiterate, Pakistan is a peace-loving nation, believes in peaceful coexistence, but our desire for peace must never be mistaken for our weakness. We will not tolerate any attack upon our soil. If needed, we will fight for every inch in the air, sea, rivers, jungles, and deserts. An act of aggression will be met with full force or with our full command.